If you ever wanted to invest in some like kitchen equipment or something because you got into cooking, this is a great investment. I have a Univex 12 quart out in the garage, but it's just too massive. It weighs, 100 and something pounds. And then a buddy of mine gave me a 20 quart Hobart. It's I don't know what it weighs, 200 pounds or something. It's just too big for the kitchen. When I was making a lot of pizza, it was good at my old shop, but here it's just too much. So if you invested in one of these, this is a KitchenAid model. I suggest getting the one with the lever in the back that lifts the bowl, not the tip back one. The tip back one is good, but not as heavy duty as this style. And then you can get all kinds of attachments for these things. So I'm just going to grate up some cheese. See, it makes pretty light work of it. And then, of course, the little chunks, you get to eat that as a treat. Or in this case, lots of treats.